Class 9 we were doing chapter number 19 and I have explained you the examples of 19a exercise, and now we'll be starting with a new topic, that is median. For any given set of data, the median is the value of its middle term. Okay, now the mid value is your median, and now we will learn how to find it. For finding median of ungrouped data, adopt the following steps. Now, very first step is, children, first of all, arrange the given data in ascending or descending order of their magnitude. Means either you will arrange them in ascending order or descending, but I will suggest go with ascending order. Then count the total number of observations in the data. Then count how many terms are there. And then if it is odd number of terms, then this formula will be applied, n plus 1 by 2 th term. And if it is even, then this formula will be applied, 1 by 2 of value of n by 2 th term plus the value of n by 2 plus 1 th term. Now we'll do the example and then the concept will be more clear to you. So let's go with example number 12. Very simple it is. Find the median of 18, 30, 39, 36, 28, 27, 31, 40, 33, 25 and 37. Now first of all, children, arrange it in ascending order. So 18, then 25, then 27, 28, 30 and till 40. Now please check that you have not left out any number. So count how many were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And they are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And also you can do while you are arranging, like suppose the smallest one is 18, so cut 18, then 18 you have done. Then you have gone to 25, then 25, then you have gone to 27, then 27, then 28. So keep cutting them, so no number is repeated again when the data is very large. Here though I know you are very intelligent, you can do. So number of observations is 11. So it is odd. The formula will be n plus 1 by 2th term. So 11 this plus 1 by 2th term. So 12 by 2th term. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 6th term. Now count here, which is the 6th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 31. I hope this is easy. This is very scoring chapter. Very easy and very beneficial for the exams. Find the median of this. Again, first of all, arrange the data in ascending order. So we have done the same way. 34 is the smallest one, so 34. Then 35, okay. Then 41, okay. Then bada, then 42, and then like that you will complete this, okay. Now number of observations is even this time. So 1 by 2 value of 10 by 2th term plus value of 10 by 2 plus 1th term. Don't forget to write the formula. They have not written it again, but I want to write formula every time you are solving the question. Okay. So 1 by 2 value of 5th term plus value of 6th term. So 5th term and 6th term. 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 47 and 6th is 49. So 49 plus 47 upon 2 will give you 48. I hope this question is clear. Now let's go further to example number 14. The weight of 12 students is in kg is itna. This 12 students. We already know the number of students is even. Find the median weight. Now he is asking you the median weight. After writing the weights in ascending order, we'll get this, and n is 12. So median weight is 1 by 2. 12 by 2th term plus 12 by 2 plus 1th term. Then 6th term, because 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 plus 1, 7th. Now 6th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th is 50. So 48 plus 50 upon 2, that is 98 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 80. 49 kg. Now second part says, if the weight of 62 kg is replaced by 35 kg. Now we have replaced 62 with 35. Find the new median weight. Again, on replacing 62 by 35 and arranging the data again in ascending order, we'll get this. And again the number of terms is 12. So same way we'll go 6th term and 7th term. This time The sixth term is 46 and seventh term is 48, and the median has changed. Okay. Now last example, the median of the following observations arranged in ascending order. Already they have arranged in ascending order, you don't need to arrange, is 20, and they have given the value of median. The median of the following observations arranged in ascending order is 20. So this is the median. Find the value of x. Now count how many number of terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is complete one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So number of terms is 14, which is even. The formula will be 1 by 2, 14 by 2th term, and 14 by 2 plus 1th term. That is 7th term and 8th term. Now what is the 7th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. X plus 2, and 8th term is x plus 4. This 2 they have sent that side, 22 is 40. Then x plus x, 2x, and this 4 plus 2, 6. 40 minus 6, 34, and 2 say we have divided, so 17 is the answer, the value of x. I hope these examples are clear to you. If there is any kind of doubt, you are most welcome. Have a great day.